Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about black holes. Black holes are space vacuums which are formed when a star dies. Do you know how a star dies? If you don't, let me tell you. When the fuel and energy of a star comes to an end, there will be no hot gases and radiation. Gravity force also ends and star begins to die. Center of a star collapse in its own gravity. This collapse causes the outer layer to blow apart in a huge explosion called supernova. The surface or outer layer of black hole is called event horizon. Let me tell you about event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once something crosses this boundary, it can't escape the black hole's gravity. Let's talk about galactic centers. Many galaxies, including our own Milky Way, have supermassive black holes at their centers. These gigantic black holes help to hold the galaxy together. Spaghettification. In astrophysics, spaghettification is the tidal effect caused by strong gravitational field. Let's suppose if you go too close to a black hole, the difference in gravity between your feet and your head would stretch you out like spaghetti. Scientists called it spaghettification. So funny. Most recent discovered black hole is Gaia BH3. This discovery was made in 2024, which beats all previous records. Gaia Black Hole 3 is 33 times the mass of our Sun and located close to Earth at almost 2000 light years. This is the biggest black hole ever. Black holes are mysterious and fascinating, making everyone exciting and curious about space. Thank you for watching my video. I hope now you know enough about black holes. Please do like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye bye.